Let me tell you a few reasons why steam food is good and healthy. Cooking with steam is both healthy and versatile. Here are some of the benefits. Retains the nutritional value of food. Cooking with steam helps in conserving the fiber, color, texture, and flavor of vegetables. It also helps in preserving the water-soluble B and C vitamins, potassium, phosphorus, and zinc so that one can gain the important nutrients from the boiled vegetables. Steaming sustains 90% of the antioxidants present in fresh vegetables. Does not require oil. Steam cooking does not require oil and therefore we obtain an overall healthy meal. Retains cancer-fighting compounds. Many vegetables including broccoli, cauliflower and cabbage have anti-cancer components which are destroyed when overcooked. By steaming them at a low temperature with minute amount of water, the miraculous compounds are retained. Lowers cholesterol. While cooking meats like fish and chicken, the steam removes all the fat from the meat, whereas the conventional cooking methods such as grilling, baking, or frying cook the fat into the meat. Getting rid of the fat makes the meat lower in calories and lower in cholesterol. So in a nutshell, steam cooking retains valuable nutrients, vitamins and minerals in food, maintains food moisture and freshness, softens food fibers, making it tender and easily digestible, does not require cooking oil or fat, making it light and healthy, cooks food faster and healthy, is applicable to all kinds of food, poultry, seafood, vegetables, fruits and desserts, etc. Keeps the vibrant colors and natural flavors of food. Cooks over a single heat source by stacking trays, which is economical and saves time. Keeps your kitchen clean, no oil, no smoke, no mess. Cleaning up is easy. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button now to see more steam food recipes which will be uploaded weekly. Now I'm going to get ready with my steamer. I'm going to fill water up till the max. Now I'm going to fix this piece. Now I'm going to start layering the vegetables. It shows you the cooking time for each dishes. The fish takes 10 to 20 minutes. Chicken takes almost 20 to 40 minutes. Red meat takes 20 to 30 minutes. The dumplings 15 to 20 minutes. Sweet potato takes almost 30 to 45 minutes. It depends on the size of the potato. Here I'm setting my steamer for 35 minutes. Now I have set the timer for 35 minutes. Once the chicken is the food is ready, so the alarm will ring. So now I can rest and I'll see you in a while till my dish is ready.